poopies, banana? Come on, let's go poopies. Come on, baby. Okay. Bull Rider's wife, how did you do? Have you ever had figgy pudding? I don't know. I've had something called Indian pudding that I think had figs in it. I've never eaten figgy pudding. Is it good? Why would anyone subject themselves to the gross horrors of almond milk? This brand is actually really good. I don't like any other brand. This brand is actually really good. This is the first time I got the coconut one. Usually I just get the plain one, unsweetened. If made, randomly threw ingredients together, stuck in fridge, hope for the best. True. I'm better every day. I love that. Almond milk is good, especially if you come up with a special drink like Starbucks. Starbucks is too expensive. I agree. I don't like the other ones, Faded. Maybe it's like a brand thing. Because the other ones I wouldn't drink like willingly. These ones I would drink. You've eaten unicorn pudding? Sorry. This is a toasted coconut one. Toasted coconut almond milk. 0 sugar. Jane, what do you put in your chia pudding? And it like has like a sweet flavor, but I don't get that nastiness that I get from like this fake sugar thing. Oh, it does have monk fruit extract, which is what makes this like sweet. But I don't get that nastiness at the end of like the monk fruit. Peanut butter? Okay. Chat, look. Do you see how these are all absorbing? This one with 160 grams still has a bunch around the edges. The one with 120 grams is pretty much like absorbed. There's no extra coming out of it. And this is the 140 gram. Also no extra coming out of it. Well, just that little tiny bit. So maybe 140 is the way to go. Thick. Feel great. I love it. Yeah, monk fruit is like a natural sweetener. Down south, how are you, dude? Guys, stop looking at my messages. I want to try one. Chia seed pudding.